Hey everyone, Teresa Guthrie here with Catch You on the Pip Side. Today I'm going to show you how you can put your pairs in order on MetaTrader 4 so that it's faster when you're trying to enter a trade to find the pair you're looking for. So simply open up your MetaTrader 4 app and go to your quote screen by clicking on the quotes button on the bottom of the left hand side of the page. Now you can see all the pairs that you have loaded into your MetaTrader 4 app. All you're going to do is click on the pencil in the top left hand corner, and then you'll see that all of your pairs are listed there, and there's a little 3 horizontal lines beside each pair. Simply hold down that pair and drag it to where it needs to be in alphabetical order. Now what I normally do is just group them together by first letter first. I'll put all the A's together, all the G's together, and then once I have those organized, then I'll sort them and put them into true alphabetical order. So that they're easier to find. So I hope that this helps you guys out and you're able to find your pairs a little bit faster. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for future videos. I'll catch you on the Pip side.